Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So the Aven Home Equity Visa card represents a modern shift in how homeowners can access the value built up in their property. Traditionally, tapping into home equity meant applying for a home equity loan or a traditional line of credit through a bank paperwork, long approval times, multiple steps. This card takes a different approach by combining the everyday accessibility of a credit card with the borrowing power of home equity. It looks and works like a standard credit card, but the money behind it is actually secured by the value of your home. That distinction matters a lot, because it's what allows for much lower rates. Most standard credit cards carry rates between 20 and 30%. This card offers a variable APR between 7.49% and 14.99%, depending on your creditworthiness and the prime rate. For someone carrying expensive credit card debt, moving that balance into a lower rate product could meaningfully cut monthly interest and let more of each payment go toward the actual balance. There's also a rate cap of 18% to guard against extreme market spikes, plus a 0.25% discount for enrolling in autopay. Just remember, the rate is still variable, so payments can shift over time. This makes it a strong option for two main scenarios: consolidating high-interest debt or financing a major home project. Think kitchen renovations, roof replacements, or bathroom upgrades, often more affordably than putting those costs on a high-interest card or personal loan. Speed is another major highlight here. A traditional home equity line of credit can take 30 to 45 days to close. This one lets you pre-qualify in about 2 minutes using a soft credit pull, so you can check your options without affecting your credit score. Funding itself can happen in as little as 3 to 7 days, since the process uses an online notary and an automated valuation model instead of a physical home appraisal. It's also one of the rare equity products that rewards spending. You get an unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase, which is a high rate even compared to premium unsecured cards. On top of that, there are no middleman fees, $0 annual fee, $0 origination fee, and $0 appraisal fee. Credit limits can go up to $400,000. And because a larger available credit line can lower your overall utilization ratio, it may actually help your credit score if you're replacing high utilization card debt with this. Just know that more available credit only helps if your spending habits stay in check. Repayment is flexible too. You can pay a minimum of 1% of the balance plus interest each month, or convert the balance into a simple fixed-rate loan with a term of 5 to 10 years, giving you a predictable payoff schedule if that's what you prefer. Now, the serious part, because this product comes with real risk. The biggest one, your home, is the collateral. This is the fundamental difference from a normal credit card. Miss payments on a regular card, and your credit takes a hit. Default on this one, and because it's a lien on your property, you could actually lose your home. This card should only be used by someone with a realistic repayment plan and a stable financial situation. There are also specific costs to watch for a 2.5% fee on cash outs or balance transfers. And depending on your state, you may owe notary fees or mortgage recording taxes, even though there's no annual fee. Because the rate is variable and tied to the prime rate, your payments will rise. If the Federal Reserve raises rates, a loan that feels manageable today could get more expensive later. And it's not available everywhere. It currently excludes states like Texas and New York, and it's generally limited to primary residences, not investment properties. You'll also need a combined loan-to-value ratio under roughly 85 to 89%, so homeowners with limited equity may not qualify. So, who is this actually for? It's ideal for responsible homeowners with high-interest debt who want to move that debt to a much lower rate and save real money on interest. It also suits people who want a convenient way to fund home renovations while earning cash back along the way. Who should avoid it? Anyone who struggles with overspending. A massive credit limit tied directly to your house is genuinely risky if you're not disciplined. That available balance can be tempting, and using it for non-essential purchases puts your long-term financial security on the line. So here's the bottom line. This card combines the flexibility of a credit card, the borrowing power of home equity, and the lower rates of secured lending plus 2% cash back and almost no fees. That's a powerful combination, but the risk is just as real. This is secured debt, and the ultimate consequence of mismanaging it is foreclosure. For the right homeowner, someone with strong financial habits and a clear repayment plan, This can be a genuinely smart financial tool. For anyone not prepared to manage it carefully, the same features that make it powerful can make it dangerous. Home equity isn't free money. It's a valuable asset that has to be used responsibly. That's everything you need to know about the Aven Home Equity Visa Card. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.